Yo, yo, yo. Yo, how's it going, guys? Welcome, welcome. How's it going, everyone? Good to see you all. SS, how's it going, bro? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, let's see who's here, guys. Drop a thumbs up, drop a like, drop a comment. Let's see who's here. Yeah, we'll get breaking down very shortly, guys. I've just got on now. We'll start breaking gold and Nasdaq down very shortly. Just a quick Waterfire, how's it going? Welcome. I appreciate the compliment. Yeah, we've got news. We have got news. We got USD news at 1/4 past, so in like 35 minutes ish. 35 minutes ish. Yo, Paul, good to see you. Anna, welcome. 300 from passing 2 evals, amazing. Good work, good work. Yeah, let's see if we can catch some more trades today. I mean, we've been on a decent run on live stream, so let's see if we can carry on printing money. Yeah, so I took a $2,000 payout literally like a few days ago, and I can take another like $3,000 maybe in the next few days. So it'd be like 5K in March already, which would be good. Or like, can't see any USD news, bro. Can you not? Let me have a look. Oh no, we got that's on Wednesday, bro. Yeah, that's on Wednesday. I was talking to the other chat. I've only just come live here. Or maybe I was thinking it was, I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, on Tuesday, there's nothing. Yeah, you're right. Yo, Tiernan, how's it going? Gotta be moving mad today. Yeah, we've had a bit. Guys, this what we're seeing here is just a sort of, all we've done here on Nasdaq is we've taken liquidity and now we're seeing some sort of reversal. Yo, Dre, good to see you, man. Welcome. Yeah, guys, good to see you all. Drop a like, drop a comment. Let's see who's here. Welcome to the stream. So yeah, all we're doing now is basically reacting off this liquidity, okay? So because we're reacting off this liquidity to potentially push back up, all I need to do now is wait for Nasdaq to create that resistance, and then I can trade with the direction, okay? That is basically what I need to wait for on Nasdaq. Gold's in a bit of a better situation here. Gold actually set up for a decent half risk entry. For those in the mentorship, you will understand this entry here. This is what we call a half risk. Based off the rejection from this this prior support. So you're basically just buying the rejection with liquidity. And yeah, that is a very clean half risk entry if you took it. All I'm going to be looking for now is a potential. All I'm going to be looking for now is either a potential support or resistance to form, and then look to trade with volume in that direction. So whatever way we sort of break out, because for now we're creating some support down here. We've created some support here too. So all I want to sort of see is a potential breakout or another rejection from these levels. So gold is starting to build some liquidity right now. So yeah, we've seen golds give a nice entry from here. Did I enter? No, I didn't. This is just a markup from some of the stuff in the mentorship that we were seeing, or that you could have taken if you was. I mean, if you learn the strategy, this should be a trade. I was at the gym here, but if I wasn't at the gym, I would have executed this for sure. I mean, I'm guessing some of the guys in the mentorship definitely took this because it's a very valid trade based off this support here. Look, support, support, come down, support, perfect half risk candle to push higher. So yeah, all I'm going to be watching now is this range here on gold. See if we can reject from these levels. That is it for now. We've got 35 on the YouTube. Good to see you all, guys. Good to see you all. And we've got 100 on TikTok. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Yeah, guys on TikTok, drop a follow if you've not already. Any questions as well? Stick it in the chat. Let me get this here. Oh, not there. How's everyone's day been today, though? Has anybody taken anything, guys? Afternoon, brother. Yo, Graham. How's it going, bro? Dean, good to see you, my friend. Good to see you guys. Yeah, let's see what how do you find trading gold since the weekend? Absolutely fine. I've taken 2 trades this week. I've taken 2 trades yesterday. One big win for like $1,800, and I took like a $29 loss, so basically break even. But I'm up like $1,800 this week so far, off one trading day. End of the day, guys, and this will go for everybody. And I was the same when I was sort of in the beginning of learning to trade. Don't focus too much on what's happening, okay? Just focus on trading your plan, because what you've back tested and forward tested is data, okay? When you back test, it doesn't tell you about something happening outside of trading. You're profitable from things that happen outside of trading. You literally are trading the chart. So don't be too, oh, I'm not trading today because of this. I'm not trading today because of that. Because when you're backtesting and gathering data to show your profitability, the market, you don't care about what happened the other day. Nothing matters. So if you can just trade the market and trade what you see, that's all that matters. And that's all I do. It's literally all I do. And it's why I don't have any problems with, oh, I'm not trading today because TJR said so in one of his TikTok posts. I mean, he says I'm not trading like every other day. I'm not doing that. Yeah, good to see you too, Dre, man. I appreciate you, bro. Good to see you too. Are you staying safe, Joe, with everything going on? Yeah, it's not really near me. I mean, it is near me, but it's not near me. It's like next door to me. I don't care, guys. At the end of the day, like, they're not. Nah, nothing's gonna affect me. What's up, Joe? Yo, Tucker, man. Good to see you. Good to see you, bro. Oh yeah, that half wrist was absolutely textbook. Guys, did anybody in the mentorship? Did any of you catch this? I'm guessing a few did. I'll need to check the gold chat, but super clean. Like, I don't know how it flipped, but textbook, really. Hey Joe, please break down the big win. Anton, go and have a look at my reels on YouTube. It's there. Or go and have a look at my TikTok. It's there. Let's have a look. Yeah, Nasdaq, we can break it down. Nasdaq needs time to form a range. There's no range here yet. We've had this push down, taking liquidity. And all we're doing now is breaking, pulling back after this push down. So what I want to see now What I want to see now on gold is a potential breakout to the upside or a rejection to sell off. So I'm sort of like open to whatever happens. Oh, did it flip fast? Fair enough. Yeah, if it flipped fast, fair enough. I was at the gym. I was getting massive here. I was building very similar to gold. Gold's got a bit of a range. Gold's got a bit of range here. I mean, you've got support, you've got support. We have got range on gold. We haven't got range on Nasdaq really. How's life in UAE in general, Joe? I'm not actually in UAE. I am on the Dubai time zone, but I'm not in the UAE. I'm actually near Turkey currently. So yeah. How's it going, Simon? Welcome. How's it going? Tyler, how's it going? Whereabouts are you? I'm in Batumi next to, it's basically next to Turkey. Yeah, I don't really have any accounts with Top One anymore, to be honest. I'm trading Lucid, Top Step. They're my main ones right now. Just get, like I say, if you want the 50% off Lucid, just go and get 50% whilst you can. I mean, whilst they have 50% off, you may as well. You know, like, yeah, Lucid trading. Use the code here. Lucid trading. I use the 50k flex accounts, but if you use a code JTC, you'll get 50% off. Why not top one anymore? Because I think they're kind of expensive, to be honest with you. Kind of expensive. Um, and I don't like prop firms that restrict traders. Like Top Step, I've obviously got XFAs that I need to trade, but yeah. I mean, I think I took like 40k from Top One anyway, so we did all right. Been there, done them. Then we'll move on to the next one. Maybe we return to him in the future, but we'll see. Yeah, guys, if you want a Lucid account, use JTC, get 50% off. Do you have a live Tradeovate account? No, I don't. I don't have a live Tradeovate account. I have live data feed, but yeah, I don't pay for it. It's just through the prop firm. Cannot trade Lucid in South Africa. Top one restricting us major trading instruments. Oh, that's yeah. South Africa are quite. It's hard work for South Africans for like prop firms and personal accounts. Yeah, it can be hard work. You see the test to qualify for a funded. What are they like? Yeah, you have to make a certain amount. So with most prop firms in futures, you need to make 6%. Once you make 6%, then you pass. Once you pass, then you can start making profits. Like, like I've got an XFA that I passed like last month. So I made 6%. Like I say, I trade like 5 or 6 at the same time. But let's just say I have one and I passed it for 6%. Once I've passed it, then I can start making withdrawals on it. All right. And then you can trade like 4 or 5 at the same time. And that's when you do start making them 10K plus months, you know? Like when I was like maybe like 2 to 3 years ago, when I first started getting profitable, I was trading like one account and maybe getting like 2K per month. But now I get them 7K months, 10K plus months, 15K months because I'm trading like 4 or 5 accounts at once, you know? So that's just the difference. Yo, Matt, how's it going? How come you don't trade like 10 to 15 accounts? I probably will do with this new trade seed, to be honest with you. The only reason I wasn't doing it is because Trade Syncer wasn't the easiest thing to use. But now we've got this trade seed, I probably will. Do I provide mentorship? Yes, I do. You can go and apply for the mentorship, Jason, in the TikTok bio, bro. We did open up the mentorship again for applications like a few weeks ago. Um, so yeah, go to the TikTok bio, press that link in the TikTok bio, and it should say in there mentorship mentorship application. Go and apply, and we'll be in touch with you. How much is the mentorship? It depends what you need, Alfie. It depends. Best thing to do is go and apply. How do I find profitable trades? Trade my plan, mate. The only way to find profitable trades is be patient and trade your plan. Nothing more, nothing less. If you're trying to find trades, then you're gonna take unprofitable positions. If you let trades come to you, you'll be fine. What's the weather like where I am? It was good for like a week, and it was like 16, 17 degrees for a week, but the last 2 days has been like 12 degrees and a little bit of showers. Nothing crazy though, not like constant raining. Maybe for like a couple of hours a day. That first week I got here was like perfect. Yeah, it was perfect. It was nice and warm. But I mean, we're coming into summer, aren't we? Like where I am now, so it's like a bit of both, and then it'll be good. Maybe in like a couple of weeks. Gold's looking good. Yeah, if we can get above here, I'm gonna buy. Do I offer copy trades? No. Torch, why do you want copy trades? Why do you want to copy trade? Why do you want signals? Tell me. There's no reason that anybody should want signals. Like zero reason. I don't care if you're new to trading, you wanna learn whilst taking signals. Like, no, just learn and don't take signals. There's no excuse for wanting signals. I'm too busy. Well, no. Do I offer mentorship, bro? Yes, I do. Everyone's asking about the mentorship today. Guys, if you're interested in the mentorship, just go and apply for it. Links in the TikTok bio. Okay. I'll put it in the YouTube as well, so that everyone's got it there. I don't need to post it again. I'll pin it. There you go, guys. What's the cost? Go and apply, bro. Go and apply and we'll be in touch with you. The cost depends on what you need. Good morning, any trades? No, I've only taken one trade. How much should we risk on evaluations? I personally just try to pass them in 1 to 2 trades, to be honest with you, because like I say, I've got a plan that I know I can take 3 or 4 trades on and win like 2 or 3 in a row and just pass accounts. So I personally just wait for good trades and risk big. I mean, it's different. Like, guys, I made a full YouTube video on this. Go and watch it because it's very key. How to scale to 10K a month in prop firms, because you can't just scale. Like, I might tell you what risk you should use, but it's different for everybody. It depends if you're new, if you're consistent, if you're like consistently profitable like me. I'm going to trade evaluations a lot differently to you, and you might trade them differently to somebody else. It depends what stage you're at. I personally just buy 5 evaluations, link them. If I fail them, I fail them. If I pass them, then I can get paid out on 5. And that is how I scale to 10, 15K months. Well, I hit like 6.7K last month, but you get what I'm trying to say. Every month's not the same. But if you haven't had a payout before, work on getting one payout. Work on consistency first. Like, learn to get consistent and see green and be happy with seeing it. Get maybe a $500 payout, $600 payout. Do that 2 or 3 times in 2 or 3 months, and then look to scale, and then look to get 5, 10K a month. But at the end of the day, you need a strategy. It's all good me saying that, but if you haven't got a strategy, then you're gonna get nowhere. You need a plan, you need a strategy. Simple as that. Do you do mentorship? Yes, I do, bro. Is every I don't know if everyone's like I do mentorship, bro. Go and check it out in the TikTok bio, bro. Yeah, Adam, go TikTok bio, bro. Go and click there and it'll say mentorship application. You can apply there. Keenan, how's it going, man? Good to see you. Thoughts on signal gurus? You don't want signals, guys. Learn a plan, learn a strategy, and have something for life, you know? Signals, no, I don't do signals, Adam. I'm a mentor. I'm a mentor. I mentor people. Bob, you're definitely trolling now. Bob is definitely trolling. Yeah. No, because the only reason I'm laughing is because like I normally just get like 2, maximum 3 people ask if I do mentorship. But we've jumped on, we've been on for 20 minutes and like 6 people have asked. I don't want to keep repeating myself. Like, I'm literally not thinking. Yeah, go and check out. It's in the TikTok bio. TikTok bio, and it's in there. The application. It's mentorship day. To be honest with you, we actually only just reopened the mentorship applications up recently. You should do a 1v1 with the Gentleman John. Come on. Gentleman John. Actually, to be honest, I would get somebody who's been mentored by me for one day, and they would beat Gentleman John. I would literally mentor somebody from scratch, probably my grandma, just for one day, and they would beat him. How much for the mentorship? Adam, it depends what you need, bro. The best thing to do is go and apply, and we'll be in touch with you. Thoughts on no stop loss traders? Always have a stop loss. Always have a stop loss. Yeah, London, we'll do it in suits as well. Suits and tie. Gold's been moving crazy. Yes, it has. We're starting to create structure though. Look at this. Down here, we've got no structure. Price is now creating some support and resistance here. So we are creating some good structure, which is good. I mean, if price can break below here, I'm still open to try and take sells here. I just need something to break or reject. Yo, Jamie, good to see you, my friend. Welcome, bro. Live account or a funded account? What's better for a beginner? There's no right or wrong answer. For a beginner, a funded account's great, but you can also lose a lot of money trading funded. You can get instant accounts on funded and lose a lot more than you would on a personal. So best thing is, if you are trading a funded or a personal, just trade it with very low risk and get consistency. That's the main thing. There's no right or wrong answer what's better, because they're both just as bad if you use them, if you abuse them, kind of. Like, you can become you can lose a lot of money being a prop firm gambler. A lot of money, believe me. Like, I know people who've lost like 5, 10K days on prop firms, taking like 10, 15 accounts on like instant accounts and stuff. And I know people who've blown accounts like that, you know? So, yeah. There's no right or wrong. Like, you need to be trading correctly, whatever you do. Gold hit your stop loss, now back to break even. Guys, let me just put my charger in so I can get the comments up. One sec. All right. Right, we're good. Yo, Joe, yo, James, man, how's it going, bro? Good to see you. Yeah, cheers to the follows and new subscribers, guys. Good to see you all here. Like I say, if you've not already subscribed to the YouTube or followed the TikTok, make sure you subscribe, follow. Joe, ever invested in physical gold? Yeah, I've got a few gold pieces, like chains and stuff, but it's not an investment. It's just something that I wear now and again. To be honest, I've not worn it in a long time, but you know what I mean. What are you looking for today? So basically, the plan for right now, guys, is let's see how gold reacts from these levels. If we react from these levels, there's some decent buying opportunities. If we can break out, again, decent buying opportunities. I am open to take this down further, but I'd need a strong closure below here. That's the plan. Big up for hitting 3K. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. We smashed 3K. We said we're gonna hit 3K in Feb, and we did like an extra 50 or 60, which is insane. Yeah, Anton, I appreciate it, but I'm not in Dubai. Isn't gold banned to trade? Nah, I can trade it. I'm free agent. To be honest with you, if all these prop firms just ban trading gold, I'd just put like 30K into a personal account and just trade that. Like, I'm not attached to these prop firms where I need to be, if that makes sense. I'm at a sort of a stage now where I can like, if all these prop firms go, I can just trade personal, I'll be fine. But yeah, prop firms are fine though at the moment. Just use Lucid. Use Lucid. Literally just use Lucid, guys. It's like $70 for a 50K account. And they're the same rules as Top Step, and you can get like a 2 to 3K payout on $70, making 12. If you make 12% with Lucid, you get a 2K payout from $70. Like crazy. Like I don't know why people aren't just getting like a 50K Lucid account. And what's my code for Lucid? Go, guys, if you want 50% off Lucid, use JTC, okay? You'll get 50% off any account. No, it's a one-time fee, no activation fee. It's a one-time fee, no activation. So you don't pay an activation fee and you're paying like $70 for a 50K. Insane. Seriously, insane. I'll put it in here, the code, guys, as well, for the YouTube guys. There you go. Do you need a buffer on Lucid? No, man. You literally so on Lucid, on a Lucid account, put it this way. If you get a Lucid Flex account, what I trade, they're literally $60. The $60, sorry for the dodgy writing, the $60, if you make 6%, you've passed. If you make another 6%, that's 3K. You can take 50%. So you can make 1.5K, literally 1.5K, because there's no activation fee, full profit, 100%, just from $60. And then with that 1.5K, you can take like $1,000 away, keep it in your pocket for the month, and then you've got $500 to play with and get another four. Like that's how you trade these prop firms, guys. That's literally all I did when I started getting consistent. Yeah, it does. It does. But like I said, that's the same with every prop firm. That's the same with every prop firm. I mean, the $60, even if you blow it after you take a payout, it's literally $50. It's nothing. Like I used to buy when I was unprofitable and blowing accounts, I was blowing like $600 FTMO accounts. I don't know about you guys, but I was wasting a lot of money on FTMO, blowing maybe 1 to 2 of them a week. Can you trade using Rhythmic? Yeah, you can use TradeC, Austin. TradeC is the best thing. TradeC is better than Project X. TradeC is better than Project X. Nah, you can still trade it. V-Money, you can still trade it. Sure account, if you take a payout, you still trade it and make more money, you get another payout. Like on my Top Step account, I took like a 1.5K payout, like another 2K the other day, and I can take like another 2.5K like in the next few days. It's like one account, I've made like 6K almost. Just on one account. Never mind, like you can have like 10, 20 accounts. Yeah, exactly, Energy. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Mm. TikTok, what you doing? Dangerous at how? How TikTok? TikTok, what are you doing? Right, I'm submitting that appeal. You got a warning, Joy. Yeah, I know. It's crazy, right? Makes no sense. Dangerous at how? How could it be dangerous activities? I think it's because you said don't do it. Yeah, yeah, it's crazy. No, it's not. It's like if you move too quickly. If you move, like if I move up on my chair, they think it's like dangerous or something. Yeah, it's like it's AI. So they see something. AI sees like a quick movement. They think that you're doing like jumping off something. How much does Lucid take? I think it's 90%. 90-10. Yeah, Paul, it is, man. Crazy. Yeah, I always appeal it and they always get accepted. So, well, 80% do. We will see anyway. We'll see. Waiting game pre New York anyway. What's my win rate? About 70%, mate. 70%. If it breaks my heart, yeah, exactly. That's right. So if I get a break below here, this is where I'm going to be looking for sells down because that's breaking level and breaking structure to push down. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. Is Nasdaq warming, like doing anything interesting? Starting to create some support here. One sec. Starting to create some support here and some resistance. So potentially price can sort of break out of this. Now this is looking similar to gold now. Now we're creating this resistance. It's looking similar to gold. Can you see? Resistance, support, resistance, support. So we've got opportunity here now. Yeah, cheers to the follows on TikTok, guys. I appreciate you. I see you all following. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. You don't have to pay monthly fees, Anton. It's good. You literally just pay one fee and it's literally like $70 or something. $70, $80 and you're done. No activation. Very simple rules and you can... I mean, these prop firms now, guys, if you learn a strategy, you can make like... It's just crazy how you can just leave a 9 to 5 job so easily. Like, how much would people need to leave the job? Like 2, 3K, maybe 4K, like 3, 4K. Let's just say three. Let's just be concerned. Let's just say 3K. People would be happy with 3K. Like 3K on prop firms a month. Once you get consistent, I'm not just saying it. It's quite easy. It is. Yeah, 3K, quite easy. I think yeah. I think I did like plus 3K a month every month last year. Depends on where you live. Yeah, that it does, but I think you can live anywhere in like most places in the UK on 3 to 4K a month. Obviously not as well in some places. Like I said, I don't know. I haven't been living in the well, I haven't been living full time in the UK for a long time, but where we just moved 1K, really, that's nothing. Yeah, crazy. 1,200 accounts, nice, mad. Yeah, nice. Yeah, oh, guys on TikTok, should I restart the live? I might restart the live. Guys on TikTok, I'm gonna restart the live. Come back in like 30 seconds when I've restarted it, okay? Just so it doesn't show that thing. Right, we're back. Simon, where are you for 1K a month? That's like Vietnam. That's like Vietnam prices. To be honest with you, I could live. I just don't choose to. I just like easy life. Like I go out to eat good food. I get a gym with sauna, spa. I don't know. I probably could live cheaper, but I just choose not to. I think when you make more, I think like I don't know. I just like ease. To be fair, I probably could live on like 1 to 2K a month, but it's not happening when you want good stuff. Nah, Bob, I wouldn't say I do, bro. I wouldn't say my lifestyle. I'm actually quite. I don't like drive rented cars and stuff. Don't buy watches. None of that stuff. I don't care about any of that. I just like. I don't know. I just like to eat out and eat good food and obviously healthy food. But yeah, Joel, thank you for trading live. I appreciate it. All good, man. All good. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Food, travel, fitness. That's literally all I spend money on. But like when like yeah, I like to eat food. Food's good. Eat good food. No, no. Move to Paraguay. I've never thought of Paraguay. I'd like to move to Thailand. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I lived in Thailand for a year, and let me tell you something. Like, yeah, I lived in Thailand for a year, and now from when I started living there, totally different places. Um, you wouldn't want to live in Thailand. Holiday, of course, 2 to 3 weeks, perfect. But when I lived there, like 3, 4 years ago, when I first started getting profitable, to now, totally different places. Not for living. If I could recommend anywhere, it would be Vietnam. It would be Vietnam. But doesn't want to leave. Leave from where? What leave from where? Where are you currently based? 嗯嗯嗯嗯嗯。Oh, Paris, yeah. Yeah, the weather is perfect. Now peak weather in Asia. If you want 30, 40 degrees, you go to Asia now. February is like February and March is like perfect. Coming out of rainy season, can't beat Asia now. 15-minute move on NQ. Let's have a look at NQ for you. Yeah, NQ needs a little bit more time. NQ needs to break out or reject. RPM, how's it going, man? Good to see you. You're in Koh Samui. Amazing. Yeah, Koh Samui is one of my favorite places in Thailand, to be fair. Yeah, Koh Samui is bang on. The villas in Koh Samui, some of the best. Some of the best. Where else have I been? I've been to Thailand, Vietnam, Bali, Malaysia. Um, where else have we been? Places in Europe, Spain, Portugal, stuff like that. Greece, obviously boring places. Well, not boring, but you know what I mean. Not too far away from me. Is it talking with the locals difficult? Nah. You just like get by. It's easy. You go to Thailand and you just point at stuff. You just like that. You know, you're just pointing at stuff. Abu Dhabi. I was in Abu Dhabi just for a layover. Doha for a layover. Dubai for a layover. I've done many layovers in that around there, but personally never been. I'm gonna go though at some point, definitely. Just for like a couple of weeks, not long term. I'm going to Vietnam. I've booked my flights and my hotel for May. I'm going there for like 3 to 4 weeks, so that'll be interesting. I love Vietnam. Yeah, Vietnam's like Thailand was like 4 years ago. That's why I like it. And the problem is Vietnam's gonna be like now Thailand. And it's not against it. It's good because it's growing, but it's just full of tourists now. But I mean, that happens when people catch on. That happens. It's normal, you know. Oh, antibiotics, awful. Yeah, got to be careful with the street food. Got to be careful. I need a dog sitter for my. Oh, do you live there? Do you live in Koh Samui? Nice, nice. Cheap cost of living, more freedoms to life without so much government control. Good mix, trading. Yeah, nice man. Nice, Simon. Yeah, moved here from the UK 2 months ago. Oh, fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, Koh Samui is a nice spot. I don't know if you went to Thailand a long time ago, but I don't know. Just just changed, innit? Like, oh, I can remember it. It used to be amazing. Used to be amazing. What chart is this? This is gold, mate. Yeah, this is gold. Yeah, it's trading view, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Bali is as well. Bali is as well. I like to go to places before they kind of like pop off. But it's a good thing for the country, right? It's a good thing for the country. I mean, if it wasn't good, people wouldn't go, and that's why it's so busy, you know? Are you in the UK? No, I'm not in the UK. I left the UK like 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Amazing planet, amazing. To do Muay Thai, yeah. A lot of people go to Thailand to do Muay. You can actually get a visa doing Muay Thai. I think you can get like 6 months, 6 month visa doing Muay Thai. A few of my friends do it. Well, they did it. They still live there, but they do different visas now. Yeah, Thailand is too touristy right now. Well, right now it's gonna get worse, but yeah. Like, if I could give anybody any advice for Thailand, just go as soon as possible. Because at the end of the day, it's only gonna get busier, and you're gonna sort of lose that Thailand vibe, which it's lost. It's lost so much Thailand vibe, kind of. It's lost so much of it in the last, like, 2 to 3 years, but it is what it is. What am I looking at right now? Same thing, mate. Same thing. I'm watching this resistance and support level here. Basically, just waiting to see if we can break out. I'd like to see us break out. Or potentially react from here to push higher or react from here to push down. How did Thailand lose its vibe? I don't know. I think a lot more busy, too touristy now. Prices are crazy now than what they used to be. Well, they're not, but you know what I mean. We used to be able to get like a 50p shake. It's like £2 now, which is still very cheap. Don't get me wrong, but you know what I mean. I don't even know what I'm talking about. It's still very cheap, but you know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, legalizing broccoli killed it. Low class tourists. I agree. That might have been the thing, you know. That might have been the thing that started it. Probably worth thinking about it. Like 3 years ago, 3 4 years ago. Mm-mm. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. You up for the week, my man? Yeah, we're up Kirby like 1.8k. Go and have a look at the trade, mate. The trade is on my TikTok. It's been a bearish day. You're not wrong, bro. You're not wrong. At the end of the day, gold daily needs to come and take liquidity. So we've taken that liquidity rejecting here to potentially push higher. It's sort of a standard standard thing to see on daily and weekly time frames. Something I don't really trade, but you can look at it. You waiting for a break of structure? Not exactly, mate. I'm waiting for a sort of breakout. Yeah, breakout. Joe, have you realized no background music? Yeah, I know. It's all good. I kind of like it. Yeah, I kind of like it. I might add some in. I might add some in the future, but can't be bothered. I can't be bothered with like getting strikes for using music that isn't correct. It's like it's just a stress. I'd rather just trade and get straight to it instead of like panicking about or like getting restricted because of a song that played. It's like whatever. I like it too. Yeah, pretty nice one, man. Yeah, gold's doing nothing here. Gold is doing nothing. What instrument? This is gold, mate. This is gold. All right. Yeah, if you got any questions, guys, put it in the chat and we'll get back to you. Boring day. Yeah, but these are the days that are going to separate you from the rest of the traders. Just understand that these days where you can sit on your hands, these are the days where you're going to separate yourself from the losers. Okay? Because there's a lot of losing traders. And if you can separate from most of them on days like today and just not trade because you don't see a trade to your plan, that's how you're going to make money. Right, let's go. Typically, what time frame do I trade? I trade the 15 and 30. Yeah, 15 and 30 time frame. Don't why you get strikes. Your music sounds like music. They're playing a massage parlor. Yeah, true. True. Wait till 2:30. Yeah, 2:30 New York Open. That'll help for sure. Other than gold, what other instrument? I trade Nasdaq and gold. Yeah, I trade this pair here: Nasdaq, US 100, and gold. Yeah, Nasdaq range is here, mate. Currently, this resistance here, this support here. Simple analysis, really. Yo, RJ, bro, good to see you, man. Do you trade with funded accounts? Yeah, multiple fundeds, bro. Would have made 200 euros this morning if I haven't moved my stop loss too quickly. Yeah, big problem. You need a risk management plan. The problem is with a lot of traders and why they struggle to get profitability is because they don't have a strict plan and a set of rules. Um, a strict plan and a set of rules to trade, and that's doing them in the long run a lot of disservice. Yeah, RJ, nice man. Is it still ongoing? Is it still ongoing? Will the war? Yeah, it will do, Vamos. Of course, man. You'll see a lot of the more news that comes out about it, the more that gold should push down. Push up. I think once it settles, you'll start to see gold starting to push higher again. Nasdaq starting to push higher again. Gold? What am I on about? Gold. Yeah, I'm on about Nasdaq. Sorry, Vamos. Europe gas prices skyrocketing. Yeah, you'll see that. Gold, nah, not just yet, mate. I'm gonna wait for this. Probably, we need to wait. We're currently stuck in the middle of the range, so we need to wait. I mean, there is potential, but we just need to wait. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. How come I haven't traded half risk short on gold? Just because there's no half risk entry. We haven't rejected the level. We didn't take liquidity, so I'd have wanted to see this level rejected to push down, but we didn't see that. So I would have taken some sells here if this candle would have rejected the range. That would have been nice. But the fact that we didn't reject the range, I can't trade into wick fill, and I can't take the sells. I'll be live for probably the next like 45 minutes. I've got some one-to-ones to do, you see, so I'm gonna have to head off. I've got some one-to-ones in like an hour. Yeah, guys on TikTok, drop a follow. Drop a follow, guys. Makes sense. Yeah, nice one, Anna. Nice one. Probably gonna see how this 15 and the next 15 closes, and then go from there. Because, like I say, I don't want to be just sat here with like, look at the volume on the 5 minute. We've literally, it's literally just done absolutely nothing. Yo, Pedro, good to see you, my friend. Welcome, bro. You know, if we can break below this range, we've got some decent levels down here, or a decent wick to go and fill. If it does, Tien, and that's the thing, bro. You can't predict it. You can't predict it. You just gotta trade what you see at the time in your session and move. It's one of them. It's one of them, bro. See, I don't mind if we can get a candle closure below here. I don't mind taking sells. I don't mind taking sells here. You win? Nah, not just yet, bro. We need to wait. There's nothing really happening right now. Back soon, yeah. Tien and all good, bro. All good. Dude, are you in? No, nothing just yet. Waiting. Patience. Which strategy do I use? I use breakout strategy. So let's say that price is in, let's say that we're within this range, okay? So if we've got a range like so, all I simply wait for is price to either break out to the upside or break to the downside, and then I trade into targets above or targets to the downside. So all I'm doing is basically trading breakouts into my targets. Simple as that, really. And then all I do, if price comes into my level, I can buy. If price rejects this level, I can sell. So I'm trading the rejections and the breakouts. And it's the simplest, easiest way that I've ever traded, and it's the most profitable I've ever been. Trading is basically 60% weighting. I'd say it's like 90% weighting. Yeah, probably like 90% weighting. 10% is just execution and risk management. Let me tell you something. If you haven't got patience, you're going to struggle. Appreciate you putting us on, bro. Oh, good guys. Guys on TikTok, make sure you're following this account because this is my only TikTok account, okay? Follow this account up. If you want to join the free Telegram, if you want to join the free Telegram on TikTok, head over to the TikTok bio. The free Telegram's there. Guys on YouTube, if you want to join the free Telegram, I'll put it here. Is 6 months enough to learn trading and live an independent life? If you do my mentorship, yeah. I'm only joking. Yeah, but if you put the work in and you learn a strategy, of course. Yeah, like, yeah, it is. If you put the work in. If with the right guidance, you can do a lot in 6 months. You can make payouts in 6 months. Guys on YouTube, I appreciate the likes. Can we hit 30 likes on stream today? We hit like 40 yesterday. Can we smash 30? We got 72 people tuning in. What happens at the grey level? We'll see how price reacts. We'll see how price reacts from here. Am I not trading SMs? No, I'm not. I'm not trading smart money. Nah, we don't do any of that here. all the ICT gurus get called out in the end anyway, don't they? Bitcoin. Let's have a look at BTC. Yeah, look at that. We mentioned this on stream the other day. Bitcoin's coming into a big level here. Bitcoin's coming into a big level. I think that we can pull back on Bitcoin. I really do. I think we can pull back 20-30%. Just because we've come into a big level, we've had this huge drop down. You know, look at Bitcoin here. Push back, pull back like 15%. Even here, I think we can pull back at least 20%. What broker do I use? Send me a DM. I'll send you the name of the broker that I use. For personal account, you mean? For like personal funds? Do you mean for like personal money? Yeah, if you send me if you send me a DM, I'll send you the name of the broker I use for personal. Mm, mm, mm. Broker doesn't matter. I know it doesn't, but if people want to use the same one that I use to trade gold, they can do. I mean, they don't have to. You do need a good broker with low spreads, especially if you're trading like intraday. You don't want like 3 or 5 tick spreads. You want like 1 to 2, like one, at least one. Mine's like 0.8. Mine's less than 1 tick. So yeah, it does matter. And second of all, like people don't have to use what I use. I mean, I'll tell them if they want to, they can. If not, all good. Where are you from, brother? You look about 20 years old, am I right? I am not 22, I am 26, and I am from the UK. Mm-mm-mm. Thoughts on Pepperstone? Not bad. How much time did you put into learning to trade? So many hours, bro. So many hours. And the crazy thing is, so many people look at me now getting payouts, but they don't understand how much work I put into it. So much. And that's what I love to see. I love to see people like putting work in because I know what it takes. Love from India. I appreciate you, bro. Good to see you, my friend. Yeah, people don't understand. Like, people go, "Oh, profitable trader got lucky." Like, no, no, never got lucky. Like seriously, I put like some days, like 10, 12 hour days on the weekend, sitting in my room at like on like Saturday nights, back testing, not doing stuff that most people are doing. Just little things like that, just to get ahead of everyone. You know. Studying past candles, why it moved the way it did. Yeah, exactly, man. Just a little bit of back testing, forward testing, journal review, stuff like that. Just copied a lucid. Nice. Did you get a couple of accounts? What age did I start? I started when I was like 18, mate. Yeah, I started when I was 18. Am I in a trade? No. I'm gonna give it this hourly closure. I'm probably gonna head off, guys. Nothing's happening. I've got some one-to-ones to do. Yeah, I've got some one-to-ones to do in like 30 minutes. So I would love to stay on, but the market's literally just doing nothing. Can you help somebody learn? Yes, Stacey, go and apply for my mentorship if you want. If you want to join the mentorship, feel free to. I can help you learn. Go and apply. The link's in the TikTok bio. If you head over to the TikTok bio, press that link, all my stuff will come down. So you've got like mentorship application, free Telegram, my Instagram, my YouTube, um, So yeah, you'll see mentorship application when you press the link. Just go and apply. It takes like 1 to 2 minutes. How much is it? So it really just depends on what you need. Got a 50K flex, bro. It's a no-brainer. Yeah, $65 is crazy, right? How's it doing? Yo, Jasper, good to see you, mate. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Yeah, it doesn't look like gold's really going to set up here. Gonna have to give it a little bit of time anyway. Can you show us a bit of back testing? I might do like a Sunday back testing stream if any of you guys would be up for that. I might do like a little Sunday back testing stream. I'm not gonna do it today. I've got some one-to-one calls to do in like 30 minutes, so there's gonna be no time to do it. But yeah, I mean, I am interested in doing like one of them. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yeah, I might just do it. Might just do it. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna get a closure here. You would be, yes, sweet, sweet. Will you be here for the market open? No, I've got to head off in a second, guys. I'm busy today when the New York session is opening, but I'll be back on tomorrow same time, guys. I'm like I say, I'm always on at like 1 o'clock UK time. Yeah, guys on TikTok, I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna head off, guys on TikTok. I'll see you all tomorrow. Yeah. I'll end it on YouTube in a second, guy. That's quality, bro. Yes, sweet man. Guys on YouTube, I'm gonna head off as well. Not much is happening here. So what I'm watching is if we can come down, reject this level, I might take some buys, or if we break and close below the range, then I'm gonna take sells. Depends what happens at this level. But for now, gold's literally done nothing for like an hour and a half. There's literally nothing to do in here. I need rejections from here, or there's no trade. But yeah, peace out, guys. Much love, and I'll see you tomorrow, same time. Let's see if we can catch something tomorrow. No trade day for me today so far, but let's see what happens after the New York session opens.